Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Hamilton, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to dig into a question a lot of homeowners quietly wonder about. How do you actually know if your old deck is still safe to use? If you've had your deck for 10, 15, or even 20 years, it has seen a lot of weather, a lot of feet, and probably more than a few cookouts. From the top, it might still look okay. The stain might be faded, but the boards are mostly there, and nobody has fallen through. The truth is, though, most of the real safety issues on a deck are hiding in the structure, not on the surface. Let's start with something you can feel right away: movement. When you walk across the deck, do you feel any bounce or spring in the boards? When you lean on the railing, does it wiggle, flex, or feel a little loose? A solid deck should feel firm under your feet and your hands. If you notice more movement over time, that can be a sign that fasteners are loosening, wood is weakening, or critical connections are starting to fail. Next, look closely at the wood itself. You don't need special tools for this. Take a screwdriver or even a key and gently press into any suspicious spots around posts, near the bottom of the stairs, and where the deck meets the house. If the wood feels soft, crumbles easily, or flakes away, that's rot. This is especially common at the base of posts and along horizontal surfaces that hold water. Rot doesn't get better on its own. Once it starts, it quietly eats away at the strength of the structure. Now think about the metal holding everything together. On older decks, nails, screws, and brackets can rust over time. Take a look underneath if you can. If you see heavy rust, missing hangers, or nails that have backed out, the structure isn't working the way it was designed to. That can mean joists are no longer properly supported, and the deck might not handle heavy loads the way it used to. Another big safety piece is how the deck connects to your house. This is one area where homeowners often don't look at all. A proper connection uses a ledger board, lag bolts or structural screws, and flashing to keep water out. If that ledger is rotting, pulling away from the house, or was built with undersized or improper fasteners, the entire deck can be at risk of separating. Sadly, many deck failures start right at this connection. At Tough Deck Builders Hamilton, when we inspect an older deck, we go straight to these structural points: the ledger, the posts, the beams, the joists, and the footings. We're looking for signs of movement, decay, and poor or outdated hardware. Sometimes we find that a deck needs just a few targeted repairs and some reinforcement to keep it safe for several more years. Other times, the structure is simply worn out, and replacing the deck is the best way to protect your family and your guests. So here's a simple way to think about it. If your deck feels solid, your railings are steady, the wood is firm, and the hardware is clean and tight, you're in pretty good shape. If you feel movement, see rot, notice rusted or missing hardware, or see gaps where the deck meets the house, it's time to bring in a professional and get an expert opinion. If you'd like someone to take a careful, experienced look at your outdoor space, you can reach Tough Deck Builders Hamilton at 513-895-9287 or visit toughdeckbuildershamilton.com to learn more and request a visit. We focus on building and rebuilding decks that are strong, safe, and ready for years of use. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Hamilton. Take a walk around your deck this week. Look a little closer than usual, and if something doesn't feel right, don't ignore it. Catching problems early is always easier and safer than waiting for something to fail.